मुझे लग रहा था कैसे होगा ये, कि मतलब हम लोग ऑनलाइन करेंगे तो कितना फॉर्मल हो जाएगा, हम लोग एक दूसरे से डरे होंगे, कॉन्शियस होंगे क्या होने वाला है। पर मतलब ऐसा लग रही है कि मतलब बहुत ही बेतुका नहीं लग रहा है कि हाँ ठीक है, मतलब जैसे हम लोग आसपास ही बैठे हुए ऐसा फील आ रहा है ना आरके।
और एक आधा घंटे में सब गाली वाली देके बात करना शुरू कर
What are you eating, Ranveer?
Rasika, I'm eating fruit. I've started with pear. Then I'm gonna have melon. Then I'm gonna have watermelon. Then I'm gonna have pineapple.
5 course.
Hi, Shweta.
Hello.
Such excitement. I think the fruits are working, huh?
Yes. I will be making them work throughout the interview.
I really hope you do.
आरके रणवीर का खाने के मामले में गजब का है। एक बार मुझे इन्होंने बताया था कि शाम को रोटी चावल नहीं खाना, तो मैंने 1 हफ्ता तक नहीं खाया पूरा।
बस एक ही हफ्ता।
अब खाता हूँ तो याद करके खाता हूँ, क्या रणवीर ने मना किया था, नहीं खाना चाहिए।
पहले चाइल्ड एक्टर बोला, मेरे को लगा मेरी बात कर रही।
Just work with Kunal and 2 child actors.
But Ranveer, she said child actor, not wild actor. Wild actor is suited for you.
So I think today's interview is going to be super fun because we have with us some people जिनको देख करके हम स्क्रीन पे बहुत हंसे हैं, and seeing all of them together here, it seems like a treat for me at least. Joining me today is the star cast of Loot Case. I have with me Kunal Khemu, Rasika Duggal, Gajraj Raoji, Ranveer Shore, and the director of the film, the captain of the ship, Rajesh Krishnan sir. So many people. Thank you so much for joining. Wow. How is everybody doing? Let's just start with that. How is everybody doing? Everyone doing good?
Yeah, a little sleepy. It was a slightly earlier start than I would have wanted, but it's okay.
Okay. What about everybody else?
Very
I
good.
think
Very good.
all of us are doing as well as one can in these times.
Yeah. Okay, so let's just start to talk about the film. I would want everyone to just talk a little about their roles, but before that, I'll just go to Kunal and I would just want him to talk a little about the film and his role.
So Loot Case, I mean, it's not a very tough film to explain. You've seen the trailer, you understand that the one line of the film is that there is this middle class man who has the middle class problems in life, and then he finds this one bag which is filled with money and something else that we've not spoken about in the trailer, which you will find out in the film. And because of that situation, there are other lives that are attached to that suitcase, which Nandan Kumar is unaware of. So that is the basic gist of the film and whatever the problems that come with it. But the devil is in the details, and what is going to be the most attractive thing about the film is its narrative. The characters that have been written by Kapil Sawant, the writer, and Mr. Rajesh Krishnan himself, and the kind of situations that arise and how these characters deal with those situations is completely fresh. And I think that in itself, for me, I thought on a script level was an achievement, because this is a story or an idea that has been dealt with, before, and more often than not, it's worked. So it's not like people are alien to it in any way. But to have taken an idea like that and still conceive a new story, new characters, new situations, and how it is dealt with, in itself is a victory, at least at the scripting level. And then I hope that this amazing band of actors that have gotten together have been able to kind of bring that to life, which I'm very confident of, actually, because I have seen the film and I really enjoyed it. And so my excitement is even more, as I can't wait to share it with everybody. And now, thanks to a platform like Disney Plus Hotstar, which is an OTT platform, it is available to everybody. I would still want them to watch it all together on a big television screen, but I know that it is accessible on phones and tablets and wherever they want to see it.
Yeah.
Kunal,
Okay,
if you ever acted in, I mean, if you ever participated in jams in college, no, you would have been unbeatable, man.
Right?
You just went non-stop without even a pause for break.
Yes.
It's amazing. I've never seen anybody do that for that long, unrehearsed.
पर नहीं क्लैरिटी ऑफ थॉट बहुत अच्छा है, वेरी नाइस।
Gajraj sir, आप अपने किरदार के बारे में हमें कुछ बताइए. Tell us a little about, you know,
हाँ.
what you're doing.
मेरा
in
जो
Luke Cage.
किरदार है जो मुझे किसी ने बताया नहीं है, ये मैंने अपने आप उसको एनालाइज किया है कि
हाँ.
पाटिल जो पहले नंदन था और उसको एक सूटकेस मिला और वो
हाँ.
पाटिल बना
Yes.
और
Yes.
पाटिल बना और अभी उसका सूटकेस
Wow.
चला गया और वापस नंदन नहीं बनना चाहता है, वो नंदन ना बनने की फाइट है उसकी.
Superb, sir. Superb.
मतलब जितनी क्लैरिटी से कुणाल ने बताया मैं उतनी और कंफ्यूज हो गई हूँ.
बहुत संक्षेप में बता दिया सर ने.
नंदन था, नंदन नहीं
हाँ.
बनना चाहता है, ये है पाटिल की कहानी.
ओके. आई थिंक ये फिल्म देख करके और अच्छे से समझ में आएगा सब लोगों को
Absolutely.
गजराज सर क्या बोलना चाह रहे हैं. So we're really looking forward to that. Rasika, please talk to us a little about your role and working with these amazing actors. I can only see the madness right here, so I can imagine what it must have been on set also.
You know, I would have loved to work with all the actors on the film, but unfortunately, Rajesh had other plans for me. He did have
Oh,
things with Gajraj or Vijay Raz, and I'm very upset.
oh.
That's my big
Me too.
complaint from Luke Case. And I hope that this will inspire Kapil and Rajesh to maybe write a sequel in which
Yes.
Patil and Lata get to meet. So yeah, that unfortunately didn't happen in this film. But I got a chance to work with Kunal and this lovely child actor Aryan, and that was a lot of fun because both of them.
पहले चाइल्ड एक्टर बोला, मेरे को लगा मेरी बात कर रही है.
Chance to work with Kunal and two child
But
actors.
Ranveer,
and Aryan.
she said child actor, not wild actor. Wild actor is not suited for you.
रणवीर के साथ 1.5 सीन थे शायद. Must have had together, but so चलो at least कुछ तो था. But Kunal and Aryan were both very comfortable in the genre of the film, and this is not a genre that I have had much of an opportunity to experiment with. So I was very happy to have two actors who were comfortable in that. So that sort of eased me into things as well.
Ranveer, tell us a little about your character. What are you doing in Luke Cage?
Well, I play a Honar cop who is given the task of tracking down this, this suitcase which is missing.
Yeah.
And then slowly, as things unfold, you realize, you find out that he has his own issues, and he has his own. He develops his own relationship with the suitcase, and then what happens? Basically, that is the unfolding of the plot. And
Yeah.
it's a, you can say, my part is it's a grey character, and mostly it plays the foil in the comedy. So I am not actively cracking the jokes, but I am the foil which the other people bounce off their comedy off. It's not as satisfying as getting the punchlines in every scene. But it's gratifying because at least you're part of at least you're part of the process of making people laugh, and also I think it's tougher a little bit than being the guy who delivers the punchline, is that half the time you're trying to stop yourself from cracking up when you're shooting. So even like my scenes with Gajraj sir, which his character is beautifully fleshed out by Rajesh Krishnan and Kapil. And Gajraj sir was acing it, and I had told Rajesh before we started shooting the film also that I think Gajraj sir's character is really one of the funniest characters I have seen in recent times.
So actually, Ranveer, when you just started talking Gajraj sir, to काफी हंसी. I would want to know. You said you talked about your description as a very honar cop. Does Gajraj sir not agree to that?
बोलिए Gajraj sir. Because Gajraj sir holds the danda, na? That's why he's laughing.
नहीं, होनार हमेशा अच्छे के लिए नहीं होता, बुरा होनार भी होता है, चालू होनार भी होता है, तो ये चालू होनार है.
Okay, if you say so. Moving on to the director, to the captain of the ship, as we can call, Rajesh sir. Correct me if I'm wrong. The film was actually, you guys had made it around 2 years back, and you guys were like sort of done with it. And then you guys had also started promoting for it somewhere around 9-10 months ago. And now you're finally releasing it. talk to me about this entire journey, about the entire process, because every time you were like really close to sort of releasing it, and you guys were promoting it actively, I remember. But then now you guys are finally doing it on Disney Plus Hotstar. Talk to me about that.
So it's extremely exhilarating. Finally, people will get to see it. We'll be able to share the loot with the world. But you're right. I mean, we were supposed to release on the 11th of October last year, and the feeling by the producers at that point in time was that it might get overshadowed because there were a lot of films in and around that time, which I disagreed then and I disagree even now. I think we had a pretty decent chance to actually go out there and stand our ground. I mean, I genuinely believe that comedy has its place. And if you look at the situation today, it's not very different in the sense that, one just keeps looking at it from the point of view of theater or a release. Even now in OTT, people are talking in terms of OTT being a very competitive environment and such. But I genuinely believe that you're not just competing as a movie. You're also, you're genuinely competing for somebody's share of mind. Right. I mean, a guy in a day has, say, when he wakes up after 8 hours of sleep, he has only 16 hours. So in that 16 hours, there are many things. There's job, there's life, there's family, there's relationship, there's WhatsApp, there's YouTube. And if you can rise above that noise level and go out there and, grab him by his throat and say, I am really interesting, you're missing out something in life. Come and watch me. I believe that we are in that space. So I would like to broaden the horizon a bit more and say it's not just movies you're competing with. But yes, coming back to October 11, I think we stood a pretty good chance of going out there and competing with whether it was Skies Pink or whether it was War that was still going strong, whether it was Lal Kattan which came a week after that, because we were in a comical space and we were in a slightly different kind of comical space. Now coming back to the release now, which is going to happen, which is on the 31st of July. Whether it's with Shakuntala Devi or with Raat Akeli Hai, which by the way, I'm really looking forward to also those two films. I think that now the dimensions have changed a bit, but the competition still exists, right? In the sense that, for starters, unless you go out there and impress the bunch of people who are really looking forward to watch you, they are not going to go out there and do the word of mouth for you, which is so essential to any project. So. But fortunately for us now, it is not just one time and space, like X number of theaters that you have to go and compete, and in that time, the initial rush will decide whether you're given a lease of life in the theater or not, right? But I think that if there is enough critical word of mouth that you can generate, then even if people watch you 4 days, 5 days later, mind you, this is a theater which you're going to exist forever. Like till the day I die, and after that, my life, if my life is over, time and everything that as I know it will cease to exist. Till then, people have the opportunity to watch it, and if you've done an honest job and if you've done justice to what you set out as a promise, then sooner than later people will see who you are and see the product that you've gone out there and put.
That is so well put. That is so well put together. And, I was telling Kunal and Gajraj also before we started, I really enjoyed the trailer also. So I'm really sure that it is going to go out there and sort of, appeal to the audience, and everybody is definitely going to like it. So I guess that's all the time we had, sadly. I would have loved to interact more with everybody and to know more about Loot Case. But thank you so much. I'm really, really, really looking forward to the film. And I really hope that people love it and they really, really enjoy it.
Thank you, Shweta. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
Thank you, guys. All the best.
Bye.
Bye-bye.